Hi, my name is Vinny. I'm 9 years old. I love angry birds. I think I have the largest collection of angry birds in the world. I have over 100 angry birds. And this is my favorite angry bird.